This single AI workflow can replace 5 different apps that students and professionals use every day. Right now, I am opening an AI search tool. Instead of searching on Google and opening many websites, this tool gives one clear answer with trusted sources. As you can see on the screen, I can ask any question and get a simple explanation instantly. This replaces normal search engines. Now, let me open ChatGPT. This acts like a personal tutor. I can ask it to explain difficult topics in simple language, and it responds step by step. Next, I am opening Canva. This replaces design software. Here, you can create presentations, posters, and documents, even if you have no design skills. Now, I will open Grammarly. This replaces grammar checking apps. I paste my text here, and the AI instantly improves spelling, grammar, and clarity. Finally, I am opening Notion. This replaces note-taking and organization apps. You can store notes, tasks, and study plans in one place. One AI-based workflow replaces 5 different apps, and most people are still not using it correctly. One AI can do all this, and most students don't know it.